What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be doing a chicken broccoli stir fry. So let's come on in, check out these ingredients, and get this cook going because this is going to be a good one. All right, so we got 1.8 pounds of chicken breast that we cubed up. We got one medium-sized sweet onion chopped up. Right here we got the homemade stir fry sauce. This is some good stuff. The description for that is in the thing below. And then we got I'd say about 3/4 of a pound of broccoli. And that's all we got. Just salt, pepper, butter, that kind of stuff. And let's get it going. All right, guys, we're ready to cook now. Let's get this going. We'll get some oil on here. Let's get a little butter. I'm putting the broccoli on first. I always put some butter in with my broccoli. Just like so. Let's get that around. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Get that in. All right, let's put this broccoli down. Boom. Let's just get that in a pile. I'm gonna put a dome on it. If it'll all fit. Might not fit. Let's see. Nah, close enough. All right, we're just gonna let that go for a minute first before I start putting other stuff on. I want to make sure that gets cooked good. So we'll bring it back. Let's see how we're looking on this broccoli now. I did put a little bit more butter in there. Let's see what we got. All right. It's cooking up nicely. All right, let's get that back under the dome. Let's get add some more oil and stuff over here. There we go. All right, let's keep that going over here. Let's get a little more oil down. Get these onions going. All right. Alright, let's get that out. Oh. Just get them down here. Let's put a little salt and pepper on this stuff. These will be diced up a little bit. There we go. That's good. Alright, let's get a little salt and pepper on this stuff. Let's get over here. Alright, you know what, I should probably put some on the broccoli too, so let's do that. Oh yeah, it's getting a nice vibrant green color going now. Alright, here we go. Let's cover that back up, let that chill for a minute. Let's see what temps we're working on here. All right, we're only 350 over here. Got about 440 over here. I got these two burners on low. These two are on medium high. Let's toss these out. All right. Boom. We're just gonna let them cook up for a minute. All right, let's mix these onions and the broccoli together now. Get one big happy family right here. Look at that. Man, the green coming off that broccoli looks amazing. Alright. Alright, we're good. Let's get this back under the dome. I'm going to turn this burner. So I got these two on low. You know what? I'm going to turn this one off, low, leave this on medium, leave this one on low, and let's go ahead and dome that back up. Get that nice and good right over there. Now let's get this chicken going right over here. All right. There we go. that down. All right, let's throw a little salt and pepper on this. All right. Ooh, that's cooking up good already. All right, we're still, that brought it down to like 400. We're still good though. All right, let's check this chicken now. See what we're looking like here. Oh yeah. There we go, that's cooking up real nice. We want to get all these pieces flipped over. I did put a little bit of olive oil on the chicken before I threw it on here. That's just, I don't know, this is what we normally do. So we'll bring you back when we're about to mix some stuff together here. Show you what we got. All right, so everything's done. Let's get this stuff together. Let's get this meat, these veggies together. Oh yeah. I mean, this looks just amazing by itself right here. All right, let's get this little pile here. Boom. Give that sauce a nice stir before you pull it on, so no clumps. Oh, buddy, look at that. Oh, bring it all in here. Bring all that goodness in here. That cornstarch is going to help thicken that up. Just needs to heat up a little bit. And yeah, there, like I said, the recipe for the sauce is in the description below. I highly recommend you try that out. So I'm just letting this sauce heat up a little bit more, thicken up from that cornstarch in there. I'm gonna clean the spot off and I'm gonna dish this goodness up. All right, let's give this a try. Wife got me the nice little Blackstone cutting board for my birthday, so I'm gonna use that. So let's dive in. All right, I don't wanna take too much. Oh yeah, just get it all over. I want some of that juice. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's give this a try. And the sauce is nice and runny enough that it gets into the rice. All right, let's dive in. Let's get some chicken, everything. Cool. Very hot. That is delicious. That sauce, well, I'll tell you what, man. You guys got to try this sauce. Real easy to make. Oh man, I need some more. That broccoli has a nice crunch. It's not too crunchy, like it's undercooked. It's perfect. Oh boy. All right, well, I'm gonna go eat my dinner, y'all. I appreciate you coming along for this. Like and subscribe, smash that thumbs up button. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.